Hey friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Omar Butt, and today in this video I'm gonna explain that how you can use an incredible and professional prompt to generate street style photos of your. So this is very easy. Like you can first of all open gemini.google.com, and here you can upload files. So for example, we upload this file. This one is my image. You can see in quote, and here I will type the prompt. I will also include the link of my blog from in the description below, so you can visit that blog and you can just copy and paste the prompt from there. I'm gonna write the prompt here, so you can see a hyper. I'm just typing, so I will explain actually what we are doing. Otherwise I can copy paste also, but I'm typing so you will understand actually what is going to generate. So a hyper realistic and candid street photography shoot of the uploaded image man and walking mid stride along a bustling city sidewalk during the golden hour. The person is, walking mid stride along bustling street city sidewalk during the golden hour, and he is wearing a layered street style outfit consisting of a slightly oversized hoodie under a dark jacket, slim black jeans, and crisp, like white snackers. Make sure you can change and modify the prompt according to your requirements. Like if you want white, if you want like red snackers, so you can type red snackers, as you wish you can type. But I'm giving you actually the prompt that can convert your image into a street style photo. So his posture is relaxed, and one hand in his pocket and the other loosely holding a smartphone. Yes, with his head turned slightly to the left as if distracted. The lighting is warm and soft, creating natural shadows and illuminating realistic skin texture. Yes. The background features, now the features of the background. So the background features like motion blurred pedestrians and city architecture with a shallow depth of field like f/1.8, and the image has a documentary feel with subtle 35 mm film grain, and this is the size AR3:4, and you can select from the tools like create images. So that is the Nano Banana Pro. So now you press enter, and this will magically generate your street style image. See the image that I uploaded, and magically what Google Gemini will generate, we can see the result within few seconds. Wow, it's awesome. It's incredible. See, the person, you can see it's me, and see walking mid stride along a bustling city sidewalk during the golden hour. You can see like I'm wearing a layered street style outfit, and you can see consisting of a slightly oversized hoodie also there is, and under a jacket, yes, and slim black jeans you can see, and white snackers you can also see here. and the poster is also relaxed, and one hand in my pocket and the other is holding the smartphone. Yes, and the head is turned slightly to the left as if distracted. Yes, the lighting, you can also see the warm and soft, and it is also creating natural shadows and also illuminating the realistic skin texture. The background is also featuring motion blurred pedestrians also, and city architecture with a sorry, shallow depth of field and people you can see here. And the image has a documentary feel. Yes, it's incredible. You can see how easily we can generate our street style photos using Google Gemini Nano Banana Pro. So thank you so much for watching the video. Please share the video with your friends and also subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon so you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much once again.